We're gonna light this shit up tonight.
This is this person that always keeps judging everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, get a look at Dr. Jake tonight. Yeah.
Do it, boy!
All you people doubting him, make a
Damn right!
Look at this bad mother.
Dogged Lee!
Something like a gumbo. Playing my way through. Something like a always singing the blues.
Got an ass reputation. No one knows why. You got a bad reputation. You gone ahead and cried. You got bad love. Bad love. You got bad love. Bad love.
It's easy more than a number. He who makes it tight. Black in the glass, my point. No reason to hide.
You're looking for a crack mark. No, you want
Get nearer. You gotta get and cry.
you got bad love. Bad love. You got bad love.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah, come on.
welcome to America.
Yeah, you got it, Jake. Ladies and gentlemen, Gracie Lily. Lauren, Roxy, Cisco, Flores, Big Bro, Sensei, Senora, Selena. Yeah. And ladies and gentlemen, my Betsy, Musty. You tell them that they know God. They better be low.
It's scratching that suffering.
And cry, baby, love, baby, love, yeah, baby, love, baby, love, yeah, baby, love, baby, love, give it to me, baby. You know what? For all the people been dubbing Lily all night, screw you! Learn how to sing as well, right? And stick that one juice up your ass! Yeah.